So in the last video, we saw how we can create this link from a Google Doc or a Google slide, and I can do pretty much the same thing for a folder. And as we'll cover in a later video, we can also do it for a collection of folders and files, which we call data rooms. Now, let's see what this link can do. First of all, let me just open this link right here. And you can send this link to your client in your email campaigns or through whatever medium you are used to communicating with your customers. And once they click on this link, this is what they see. So this was a two-page Google Doc that was just sitting in my Google Drive right now. And you see, right now it has been sort of converted to a website. So there are a bunch of things that I can do over here. For example, I can white label this logo. I can white label this complete URL. I can also disallow downloading, as I'll show you shortly. I can also add my chatbot over here. So my customers, while they are looking at my document, they can type in a message and start talking to me. We are also gonna there's also a subscription feature where if you make any changes to your file, those changes are automatically going to be sent to your subscribers. Um, uh, we are also going to add more features in the future. For example, if you're coming on page two, certainly a video can pop up and you can start talking about that particular page. So we're going to add a lot of interactivity on this viewer. At the same time, I can go back to my link and now we can go through all of these different link settings that are there. So for example, I can take my link online and offline anytime. So now if I go back to this doc, it's going to show this file not found. I can go back and take this online and now the file is visible again. I can also disallow downloading. So I showed you before that there's this download button, and if I just toggle this switch, the download goes away. So now there is no way to download this particular file. I can also preset expiry based on views or time. I can protect my file with a password, and I can also require people's email. So this is something that is very useful for marketers, for example. Now, if I go back to my document, so you see it's asking me either to log in using Google or Outlook or provide an email. And in case I'm worried about the security of my document and I want to verify those emails as well, then I can simply check this box. And the person will either have to log in through Outlook or Google or verify their email using an OTP in their inbox. I can also disallow certain domains and certain emails. So, for example, I can disallow free email providers from accessing my document, or I can only allow people in a certain organization to access my documents. I can also set notifications. So, for example, whenever my document is viewed, I get some sort of a notification of who viewed it, when it was viewed, and some other details. And finally, I talked about the subscription settings, so I can just enable subscriptions, and now this subscribe button shows up on my document. So you see, we are sort of this CloudFiles link provides a very website-like experience on your existing documents. Now, in the next video, we are going to talk about the analytics. While we were looking at this document, we were collecting a lot of detailed and drill down analytics. And yeah, we'll talk about it in detail in the next part.